Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make red wine. First, you need to select the right grapes. The deep red color of your wine comes entirely from the skins of dark-skinned red grapes. Look for varieties like Cabernet Sauvignon or Merlot. Ensure your chosen grapes are ripe, with a good balance of natural sugars and acidity, which are crucial for a successful fermentation and a well-structured final product. Once you have your grapes, the next step is crushing them. This process breaks the grape skins, releasing the juice, but keeps the skins and seeds in contact with the liquid. This mixture, called must, is then transferred to a fermentation vessel. Add yeast, which will begin converting the grape sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. The skins remain in contact with the juice during this primary fermentation, typically for 5 to 10 days, to extract color and tannins. After primary fermentation, it's time to press the wine. This separates the liquid, now young wine, from the grape skins, seeds, and pulp. The pressed wine is then moved to another vessel for malolactic fermentation. This is a secondary fermentation where bacteria convert the sharp malic acid, naturally present in grapes, into softer lactic acid. This process can take several weeks to a few months, contributing to a smoother, more complex flavor profile. Finally, the wine is ready for aging. This can happen in stainless steel tanks or oak barrels, depending on the desired style. Aging allows the flavors to meld and mature. During this period, you'll rack the wine several times, carefully transferring it to a new vessel to leave behind any sediment. Once the aging process is complete and the wine is stable, it's ready to be bottled, where it can continue to develop in the bottle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.